Many websites offer free stock photos and videos that can be used in academic papers, presentations, and social media posts. This includes things like images, video clips, and text files that can be used royalty-free. There are also plenty of websites that allow users to upload their own pictures and videos for public use. Compiling a list of resources beforehand makes it easy to use them later without delay. Welcome to WeGotMedia. We are a multimedia agency that offers professional services and training in all areas of digital media such as graphic design, video production, audio production, and digital marketing. This channel is dedicated in providing free informational tips and easy tutorials on how to make digital content using various software in the digital media space. When choosing a website for stock videos and stock images, it is important to consider the quality of the videos and images, the price, and the terms of use. Some websites offer only royalty-free videos and images, while others require a license for certain uses. It is important to read the terms of use carefully before downloading any videos or images. These websites are more useful if the company has enough resources to invest in the monthly paid subscription. Let's check out these websites one by one with their unique features. Number 1. Pexels. Pexels offers a huge selection of high-quality images. However, users don't have to look through poor quality ones either. All images on the website are well categorized and can be accessed easily by genre or subject type. Images are also split into different categories so that users can find what they want quickly and easily. Furthermore, Pexels makes it possible for its users to organize their collections via private boards and public galleries alike. This makes it easy for people to share their favorite photo collections with others via social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter. Using Pexels to find photos is beneficial. First, users can find photos easily through Pexels' extensive collection of images. The website has over 100 million photos and videos for users to choose from. Moreover, uploading your own photos to Pexels is easy and simple. Plus, all photos shared on Pexels are free of copyright restrictions, therefore, anyone can use them. Number 2. Pixabay. Pixabay is a website that provides high-quality, royalty-free images and videos. You can use these images and videos for any purpose, including commercial use. Pixabay is a great resource for finding images and videos for your website, blog, or presentation. Pixabay offers a wide range of images and videos, including images of nature, animals, landmarks, and more. You can also find images and videos of people, such as portraits, candids, and illustrations. Additionally, Pixabay offers a variety of illustrations, graphics, and icons. Number 3. Vecteezy. Vecteezy is a website that provides stock photos and videos for creative projects. You can search through their library of over 1 million images or upload your own to create a unique project. Vecteezy is the best place to find high-quality, royalty-free vector graphics, illustrations, clip art, video clips, and music tracks. Vecteezy was launched in 2007 as a free stock photo site that provided free vector images as well. The site has grown to become one of the most popular sites for designers and other creative professionals to find high-quality images for their work. The site is also popular with bloggers who use Vecteezy's photos to give their blog posts an image boost. Number 4. Rawpixel. The Rawpixel website is a stock photo website with over 1 million photos and images. The company offers free and premium content for both personal and commercial use. This site is easy to use and has an intuitive interface that allows you to search through their large library of photos by keyword. You can also use their filters to find the perfect image for your needs in just a few clicks. It is a great place to find photos for your blog posts, social media posts, presentations, and more. Number 5. Deposit Photos. Deposit Photos is a stock photo website that offers a wide range of images to suit any need. The company was founded in 2006 and has been growing ever since. They have more than 100 million high-quality, royalty-free photos, illustrations, and videos from over 200,000 contributors. You can find every type of image on Deposit Photos, from people to plants and animals, as well as every style imaginable from vintage to modern. You can also find the perfect photo for your project, no matter what it may be. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more informational videos related to the media industry. See you in the next video.